Are you looking for an easy way to manage your HR tasks? From employee records to leave management and payroll, Orange HRM has got you covered. In today's video, we will show you how to use Orange HRM to simplify your HR processes and improve efficiency. Whether you're an HR professional or a business owner, this video will walk you through the key features of Orange HRM. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all, you need to visit the official website, which is OrangeHRM.com. From here, you have two options on the top right corner wherein you can click the book a free demo, wherein all you have to do is provide all the information needed to discover the power and versatility of Orange HRM with a free demo. But if you want to contact sales, just click this top right corner option. Right? But what I highly suggest is for you to take advantage of the generous 30-day free trial. It's kind of really easy because all I have to do is provide the information needed, and then you should be able to receive a sign-up email that your free 30-day trial is active. And then from here, you have two options to activate your free trial. Just select your preferred option. I'm gonna click the I need a sample data because you will be forwarded here. Right? Just wait for it to load. Again, the loading times may vary depending on your active internet connection. And of course, if the Orange HRM cannot be accessed into your browser, you might want to use a VPN because sometimes the platform has a geo restriction to specific areas, location, or region. All right. And then the next thing is you should be able to receive this and click the launch free trial. You will be forwarded to the main dashboard wherein you have an option to log in using your credentials. You want to make sure that you put in the correct information. Click this login button. Wait for it. Takes a little while. And now you would notice that this is gonna be an open source human resource management or HRM software that helps organizations manage employee information, leave attendance, recruitment, and more. Now, you would notice that you have a panel in the left side of your dashboard wherein it's a comprehensive suite of features to streamline HR management. Number one is going to be the HR administration because this is basically a central hub for HR functions, including user role management, company settings, and policies. All right. If you click this, for example, if you click on maybe Alan Brody, there's going to be a pencil icon here wherein you can edit the user, edit the name, username. For example, we're going to be choosing this. You can set the supervisor role into, say, for example, different ESS role to default and a lot more. So you can have all these. Is it going to be global admin, leave admin, and for example, we're going to be choosing report admin. Do you want to enable or disable the status? It's up to you, and click on save. All right. Admins can configure organization structures, departments, and job title by clicking on the save button. Now, the next option is going to be the employee management, wherein you can manage records here, including personal details, job roles, contract details, and salary. By that, if you click on, for example, Mary, hold on, let me just go back again here. For example, I'm going to be choosing a different I'm going to use Peter Anderson. So if I click that, I will be forwarded to the interface. Okay, so you can track promotions, transfers, and employment status. You have the basic info, job contact, and a lot more. Okay, so you have all these. Now, if we hover back here on the employee management, there's going to be a plus button here wherein you can basically add an employee manually. All right. So employee name is going to be, say this one. All right. Join date is going to be now March 7th. Location is going to be it's around here in the US office. If you want to create a login details, just click the button here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm gonna skip it and click the next button. If you do, you will be successful in creating a new employee under the employee management. All right, so that's that. Now I'm gonna skip that and go to the reports and analytics, because these are gonna be your options to generate various HR related reports such as attendance, leave trends, and employee performance. It offers visual analytics right here to help decision making. If you click the new report, you can choose from vacancy, general recruitment, employee informational report, or the employee management, leave, and performance. Click on next. Let's see what we got from this specific settings. Now, from here, all I have to do is click on next, and change it to, for example, we're going to be putting in a different file name. Port name is this, and click on next. You can also click the additional selection criteria, but I'm gonna skip that for now and click on next and click on save. All right, so let's do that. For example, contact details, click on save, and that's that. All right. Now the next option is gonna be the leave section. This is kind of very straightforward and easy because it allows employees to request leaves and managers to approve or reject them. How? You see, there's going to be a search options here for filtering because it supports multiple leaves, assign leaves, bulk assign, apply, for example, employee name, and click on assign. You can put in the date and the sections here. All right. Now the time tracking is where you log the employee working hours and project-based time tracking. All right. It helps payroll calculations and project management, which is kind of like very easy and straightforward. You have the employee timesheets, my timesheets right here. You will be forwarded to another page. Just wait for it. Again, loading times may vary. Activity info, and of course configure. If you want to edit or submit it for the approval from your supervisor or manager, you can do so. All right. You have the different types of leaves: holiday leave, weekend, full day off, and partial day off. Attendance is very easy because, as you may notice, it's self-explanatory. You can track employee check-in and check-out times right here. Monitors absenteeism, late arrivals, and overtime. You can integrate with biometric devices or punch-in systems, depending on your preferences. You have the approved attendance sheets, employer record, my attendance sheets, pay policies, and the data upload. Again, you can download the CSV file if you want to upload this for a bulk instead of the manual data entry. And you also have the attendance configuration here. If you don't have any access, you want to make sure to request to your admin so that they can give you access so you can edit it. The recruitment ATS or applicant tracking system manages the hiring process from job posting to candidate selection, right? You would notice that you can track applications right here, stages, and candidate communications. You have the shortlisted, in progress, job offers, hired, and rejected. It automates the job posting and applicant assessments. You can click the add vacancy right here. All right. And then you can also add a new candidate if you want manually. It does the same thing. Now, I'm gonna go here again to the homepage because I wanted you to look at on the on and offboarding. Now, it guides new employees through onboarding with tasks. Takes a little while to load. All right. And then you would notice that these are going to be some of the documents and training assignments It handles offboarding workflows, including exit interviews and clearance processes. You can configure tasks here, matter of fact. Now, the training is a section where you can organize employee training programs, track course completion. You see, and there's going to be like a session, which in turn helps HR monitor employee skill development. The performance is something that facilitates employee performance and reviews goal settings. You have the appraisal, employee trackers, and competency profiles, and the configuration. Now, here is the request desk. If you want an IT to submit HR related request, you can do that. For example, appraisal assistance query, driver license, renewal submission, employment document request, you can do that. You have the employee requests, submit requests, my requests, and configure request types. Now, I have skipped career development because it's not really very important, because it's a section wherein it provides HR with insights with succession planning and talent management. But what I wanted to do is go to the integration because it's very important. It connects OrangeHRM with third-party softwares. You see that? You don't have any access because you are using the free trial. If you unlock the full features and the all tools, you can leverage integrations to ensure seamless data flow between HRM and other business applications. Now I'm going back to the homepage. If you go to the top right corner, there's gonna be like a gear icon. If you click on it, you can configure the admin and my widgets sections. Again, OrangeHRM provides a comprehensive suite of features to streamline HR management. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.